What's happening, guys? Hey, listen, are you thinking about buying or selling this year in the year 2023? As of today, I'm recording, it's April 16th. So we're in spring and we're getting closer to summertime where there's going to be probably a lot more activity as far as sellers and buyers. So there are opportunities and maybe you're just not sure on how to go about it. Again, my name is Steve. I'm from Suarez Realty Group here in the Los Angeles San Gabriel Valley. And if you stick around, I actually will tell you how you can get a free printable worksheet for either or if you're buying or selling this year or any other year. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. So like I said, you guys are probably maybe either thinking about buying or selling this year or any other year. Just really quick, I have some other videos out here in my channel here if you want to take a look as far as for buyers and sellers. There's some different videos for different areas that you might be thinking about. But anyhow, as far as like a buyer goes, what you want to do first thing is kind of get pre-approved, kind of sit down, decide on your own like what areas you're looking for, what kind of needs do you have, are you growing a family, are you downsizing? There's a lot of different factors that kind of go into buying a home. So something that I always suggest is maybe taking some time on your own, going out and just kind of writing down your whys as you want to buy, and then kind of briefly kind of going through your situation as far as financial situations, where you're at with your job, your income, your spouse or your friend or whomever, however you're doing this. That's kind of some of the things that you want to take a look at. It's a big process. It's a fun process. I'm actually working with a buyer right now, so I know he's really excited, and it's fun for them and it's fun for me to get them what they want. So just kind of think about those things. So, and if you're a seller, same thing, right? It's just the reverse. So now at this moment in time, as far as seasons go, we are in the springtime, closer to summertime. So there tends to be a little bit more activity for both parties, right? So we're in 2023 of April 2023, and obviously with inventory still being low, but I think like there's going to be a lot more inventory coming up. You could already kind of see there's a little bit more houses for sale. Sellers are actually really wanting to work with their buyers and stuff. So some of the things you can prepare as a seller, some easy things would be like cleaning up the clutter, cleaning up the outside of the house, landscaping, maybe get a gardener if you don't have one, have it cleaned up. If you got kids, have them go out there and make some money, pay them $5, whatever they got to do, mow that lawn and stuff like that. Just really the biggest one, I would say, kind of decluttering your house, making it, I always like to say, kind of like a canvas, a blank canvas, as if you're going to paint something. So you want it nice and fresh. You want to give the impression or the idea to the buyer that's going to come by and take a look at the house, what they can do, what their vision is, right? So you have a vision, they have a vision, we all have our own vision of what a house is going to look like. So the least amount of things that are in your home, the better, so they can envision what their new home could possibly be like for themselves. I just spoke to more or less what a seller can do. Like I said, this is going to kind of be really brief because I have other videos. So really what I wanted to say, if you want to, guys, go down in the description down below. I'm going to put a new website. I actually created a new website I just released. In there you can subscribe to a monthly newsletter that I'm going to start putting out. And then I also, if you want to take a look under sellers and buyers, if you click on those links, it'll take you to some worksheets. They're printable. And it just kind of gives you a brief step-by-step as to what to do as far as a buyer goes and as far as a seller goes. Feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you guys out if you guys have any questions. I also have 2 lenders that I work with in-house, and we could always get you guys in over the phone, kind of do like a pre-qualification, or just kind of get you an idea of where you're at. It's just a good way to have a roadmap to get you to a destination that you might want to get to later on in the future. And sometimes, hey, you might be surprised as to what you can buy, you might qualify for now. So, yeah, anyhow, take a look down below, descriptions. There's some other videos in my channels that talks about home buying and selling in different areas that you might be interested in. But always feel free to give me a call. I would love to talk to you guys. and chat. Maybe we can go grab a cup of coffee or whatever you guys like to do. I'll be cool with that. So anyways, thank you so much. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.